Built into the System Accelerator Manager, we have several menu items over here on the left-hand side. Inside the context area, we have a full-blown CRM. The database is primarily set up for real estate, so we have a properties area allowing you to store all the information about property itself, as well as information about the listings or the transaction for that real estate agent. We have a built-in calendar, outbox for SMS and emails, call lists, being able to make calls out. We do identify the templates as being either email or SMS. Now, the real guts of what SAM is to do automations. And with those automations, you can set them up very easily based off of certain key dates. Here we have a photography date and all the different things that you do. The real key here is being able to set these up. And what we can do is make that very easy for them using AI. We can click on the little AI to generate this. You type in what you want for an objective and click on generate. And whenever it comes up, then you can choose to edit any of the items. Once you've got everything set up the way you want, you click on the approve. It then takes each one of those steps and starts building out the actual routine details. And then it also takes that information and starts building the templates that go along with it. If it's an email or an SMS template, what this does is it utilizes information within the software. It's actually building it for the individual. And then once it's complete, then it goes ahead and it has the entire build. I can go into each one and fill in all of the calculations for things, what I want to do. In this case, I want to send a message, go in here and it shows you the details that it put in there. So the real crux of this is allowing agents to build their workflows. We call them routines, very quickly, very easily. The last part of this that I really want to highlight is our AI agents. We call these assistants, but these AI assistants will perform different actions based off of what the real estate agent actually needs to do. You can create other agents into the system. We have 7 or 8 already pre-built for different functionality. And the real key to this is we do integrate with 11 Labs so that you could even use a phone number, dial into your system and start communicating with your showing scheduler and being able to have it schedule out your showings for you. All of these are built with high detail and information about what they need to be doing. They can be tweaked by the user and being able to do different types of things. That's really the crux of what SAM does. Lots of other features, things that real estate agents really need to have in their business. Hope this gives you a great look on what we're doing, how we're doing it, and we've got so much more to come.